All right, this is cabin 7297. It's a category 4E interior on Carnival Pride. Nice large open room. Often the interiors, especially on the newer ships, don't give you this much space. So we like to film ones that look maybe a little bit larger or different than others. And there's your TV almost directly in front of the bed, which is a rarity on these ships. And there is your storage space. There's some shelving. And there is more for hanging. And then you've got one more, if we can get this door opened. It's a little bit dark, but there's some more hanging space there. Trust me, I sneak in and get these before the ship leaves, so they're typically still finishing up cleaning the room, so I try and be in and out as quickly and efficiently as possible without messing with their job at hand. More shelves there. There's your power outlets, typically one European, one US. Some more drawers. There's your laundry bag. Little ottoman seat under there. There's your hair dryer. Some more drawers down there. There is your fridge. Artwork on the walls. You have little night lights either side of the bed, but typically they do not have USB ports in these. They will in the suites and stuff, and they may upgrade that as dry docks go by, but when we went on, they did not have USB ports by the bed. This is your bathroom. Lovely carnival green. Ugh. Is what it is. So there you go. And one more look at that. Oh, I got the drawer open now. There you go. With the life jacket. Nice and light now. Maybe Julie snuck it open while I was filming the rest of the cabin. I don't know. But we got it for you. So that's cabin 7297 on Carnival Pride. As I said, it's a category 4E interior cabin. Where is it, you ask? Well, I will show you. It is right there towards the back, kind of close to the elevators. You'll see the yellow circle there. And that is what is in the cabin itself. There's all the amenities. It says door opens to face 7295. I don't know why they say that, because every cabin typically opens to look at another door. But, you know, whatever they want to do. But they are all your amenities in cabin 7297 on Carnival Pride, category 4E interior. Subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll get notifications when new videos come out. And don't forget, click on the links to the left and right of me. You can watch playlists, new video suggestions, and more. Any questions? Email me, cruisingsuitguy@gmail.com. And don't forget, I'm a travel agent. Email for help.